Hello my dear students. Welcome to E-Class started by St.JOSEPH'S Academy, Nagar, Ghaziabad. This video is for class 3rd, subject Moral Science, chapter 3. This video is prepared by Renu Martin. Students, as you can see on the screen, it is the cover page of your moral science book. Your moral science book's name is Gems for Life. In this book, we will learn moral values with the help of inspiring stories. So now, let us start our chapter 3. The topic of our chapter is My Brothers and Sisters. This chapter is all about the love, the care and the affection between the brothers and sisters. Students, all of you must have your brothers and sisters. You also love them and care for them. In this chapter, through a story, we will learn how much importance do our brothers and sisters have in our life. So, let us start our story. Students, first of all, we will read the passage. And after that, I will explain it to you. So, we will start our passage. Raju and Ramu were brothers. They loved each other very sincerely. They stayed in the adjacent houses. Both were concerned about each other. They were farmers and used to do farming together. So students, this is the story of two brothers named Raju and Ramu. They both loved each other and also concerned about each other. As we have read that they used to do farming together and they also stayed adjacent houses. Here adjacent means nearby. So they lived nearby houses. That year, they had a very good crop of paddy. After harvesting, the grain was divided equally. Both of them collected their grain in their storehouses. One year, as they worked hard, so they had a very good crop of paddy. Paddy means crop of rice. After harvesting, they divided the crop equally between them and collected their grain in their storehouses. But Ramu thought, I am all alone. I don't require so much grain. But my brother has wife and children. He may need more grain. So he carried one bag of grain to Raju's store at night. Students, here the younger brother Ramu thought, as he is not married and not having children, so he does not require so much grain. But on the other hand, his brother Raju has wife and children. So he may need more grain. So he carried one bag of grain from his store to his brother Raju's store at night. Students, now after reading this, what do you think? Why Ramu is doing this? This is because he was doing that because of his love towards his elder brother. At the same time, Raju thought, I have wife and children. Ramu is alone. If he needs money, what he will do? So, at that night, he carried one bag of grain to Ramu's store. Children, when Ramu was thinking to give his grains to his brother Raju, at the same time, Raju also thought that he has wife and children, but Ramu is alone. And if he needs money, what will he do? So, Raju also carried one bag of his grain to Ramu's store. Dear students, here we can see that Raju is also having same love for his brother Ramu. This continued for many days, but there was no difference in the number of bags of grain in both the storerooms. Every night, both Raju and Ramu carried bag of grain to each other's stores. But there was no difference in the number of bags. Students, do you know why? Yes, because every night Raju kept one bag in Ramu's store and Ramu kept one bag in Raju's store. So the number of bags were the same. One night on the way, both of them happened to meet each other with bags of grain. They revealed the reason for carrying the grain. For the first time, they realized the love they had for each other. One night, what happened? When both of them were carrying the bags of grain to each other's store, they happened to meet each other on their way. They saw each other and revealed the reason why they were carrying the grains. Students, we love our brothers and sisters so much, but most of the time we are not able to express our love to them. So on that day, first time, both the brothers realized their love for each other. They put their grain bags down, embraced each other, and stood still for some time, shedding tears of joy. After realizing their love for each other, they were overwhelmed with the feeling of love. So they kept their grain bags down and they embraced each other, shedding tears of joy. Dear friends, did you understand from the above story how much Ramu and Raju loved each other? Remember, the more we give, the more we receive. Dear students, now I hope that you understand how much Ramu and Raju loved each other. The more we give, the more we receive means if we give the more love and care to others, in the same way we also receive back the more love and the more care. Students, now we will learn about family. In a family, parents, brothers and sisters live together. Family can be compared to a beautiful garden. Its flowers are brothers and sisters. Dear students, in your family, you also live with your parents, brothers, sisters, and in some families, grandparents also live together. Here, family is compared as a garden, and all of you, brothers and sisters, are the flowers of that beautiful garden. Life is a gift of God. This gift of life is nurtured and nourished by our parents and siblings. Dear students, God has given us the beautiful gift of life. That is, nurtured means to look after and protect someone, and nourished means to give something to be grow healthy by our parents and siblings. Here sibling means our brothers and sisters. It is our brothers and sisters who help us to inculcate good habits and develop good behavioral patterns. So, we should love our brothers and sisters and help them always. Children, sometimes we play, we dance, we eat, and sometimes we also fight with our brothers and sisters. But while doing all these things, we inculcate good habits in each other. So, we should always love and help our brothers and sisters. Family is a place where we learn to love, share, and help one another. We share with them whatever good things we get, maybe biscuits, fruits, or even a toffee. We also share with them our daily experiences. Dear children, in a family, we learn to help and love each other. We also learn to share. For example, it may be any eating things like biscuits, toffees, chocolate, or fruits. We can also share our daily experiences and our views with our family members. Our younger brothers and sisters are under our care and protection. We must love, help, and console them when they are in pain and sorrow. Students, maybe some of you are having younger brothers or sisters. You know that they need your more care and protection as they are younger than you. So, you should love and help them and also console them when they are hurt. It will be a great help to our parents who are busy with the household works. Let us always remember that they are God's special gift to us. By helping our younger brothers and sisters, we can help our parents who are busy with their household work or maybe office work. Students, always remember that parents are the special gift of God for us. Let us pray for our brothers and sisters daily. Encourage them for their success and console them in their sorrows. Then our family will be a sweet home. Dear students, from now onwards, always pray for your brothers and sisters. Always love them and help them. If we love each other and care each other, only then our family will be a perfect, sweet home. Let us remember, mutual love is an ever-glowing lamp in a house. ST.JOSEPH'S. Students, we should always remember that in a family, the love we have with each other is like a ever-glowing lamp. That means a lamp that can't be extinguished. It is said by ST.JOSEPH'S. Dear students, I think that now you have read the chapter and also understand it. So now we will start our exercise work. The first exercise is let us draw. Students, here you can see a picture of a tree. You have to draw flowers on it to represent the members of your family, and you also have to write their names in the flowers. So students, again I am explaining that you have to make a picture of a tree in your copies, and inside the tree you have to draw small flowers. For example, if you are having 4 members in your family, then you have to draw 4 flowers inside the tree, and you also have to write the names of your family members inside the flowers. Dear students, our second exercise is let us find out. Write 2 good qualities of your brothers and sisters. In this exercise, you have to make a table and one side you will write 2 good qualities of your brother and the other side you will write the 2 good qualities of your sister. Here I have written brother. First good quality is sharing. Second good quality is cooperative. Sister. First good quality is lovable and second good quality is helpful. Our next exercise is let us do. Paste the photos of your brothers and sisters and complete the table. Students, as you can see, there are 3 boxes. In these boxes, you have to paste the pictures of your brothers and sisters. And down the pictures, there is a table. After pasting the pictures, you have to complete the table. The first one in the table is name. So, you have to write the name of your brothers or sisters. The second one is class. In this, you have to write in which class they study. The third one is date of birth. In this, you have to write the date of birth of your brothers and sisters. The fourth one is favorite color. You have to write the favorite color of your brothers and sisters. The fifth one is favorite food. In this column, you have to write the favorite food of your brothers and sisters. The last one is favorite game. Here you have to write the favorite game of your brothers and sisters. So students, in the boxes, you will paste the pictures of your different brothers and sisters. Remember, if you don't have your siblings, then you can paste the pictures of your cousins. Students, now let us find out the answers. Here are question answers. You have to write them in your copy. Question number 1 is, what message did you get from the story of Ramu and Raju? The answer is, the message we get from the story is, the more we give, the more we receive. Our second question is, family is a place where you learn to share. Name any 4 things you can share. And the answer of this question is, number 1, food, number 2, clothes, number 3, daily experiences, and number 4, problems. So these are the 4 things that we can share with our family. Students, now we will sing together a poem. How beautiful my family, parents, brothers, sisters, sharing, caring and loving. It's really a sweet home. It's we who make our family. playing, praying, and enjoying. Together, we live in unity in my sweet, loving family. Students, this is the end of your chapter. I hope that you will read the chapter again and write all the exercises in your copy. In the last, I would like to say you that always remember that our parents are the greatest gift of God for us. So, we should always love them, respect them, and obey them. And children, also remember that your brothers and sisters are also need your love and care. So please always love them and care them. Thank you.